Hello everyone, welcome back to Sunny Live Show and thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on Uzalo from the 24th to 28th of August 2026 on Monday. Joan bears her pain to Nkunzi, but his ruthless response deepens her wounds. Biase is left shaken when he comes face to face with Phefeni, while Amantaliane kidnapped Nokuthula on Tuesday. After searching for his son, Biase finally tracks down Phefeni. Instead of a reunion, Biase is met with a cold, aggressive rejection. Fikile encouraged Mandisa to hold onto her relationship with her supportive partner. She is soon betrayed when Mandisa tells Boo about her waiting bed. Joanne is in survival mode, desperate to prove to the state that she is reformed. How confront Aphelele about blocking him, seeing it as an abandonment, but for Aphelele it's peace of mind on Wednesday. Back home, but not back to normal, Joanne struggled to find her peace or place. Figile's life takes a dark turn when she's told she has isichitho. One moment Aphelele is all in, next moment she's gone on Thursday. Warden Ntombela and one of the inmates are quick to learn what type of pain Nkunzi is, how becomes a stalker, and Yao steps in the quest to find Milokuhle on Friday. Sibongiseni rebels against Mondli. Mandisa is caught off guard when Fikile confront her about her actions, and Nkunzi realizes that friends are indeed few when days are dark. Well guys, this is all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.